Hi everyone, my name is Costa and today I'm gonna show you how to create a scroll progress bar in Framer. So I got a top section, a middle section and a bottom section. Next I'm gonna create a new frame, press Ctrl X, paste it inside the middle section, call it container, change the width and the height to fill, click on layout and let's remove the fill maybe. Next I will create a new frame, put it inside a container and this one is gonna be step 1. Change the width to fill and leave the height to fixed for now, and let's remove the fill. Also let's add a layout. Now I will create a new frame, put it inside the step 1, call it progress wrapper, make it 2 pixels wide and 300 pixels in height. Alright, I will keep the black color and click on layout. Now I will duplicate it and I will call the second one progress bar. And now I will drag the progress bar inside the progress wrapper. Okay, let's change the color to blue. And I will select both of them, add a radius. Now I will select the step 1 and put the height to fit content. Go to scroll section and call it step 1. I will select the frame and create a circle now. Press Ctrl X, paste it inside the step 1. Select the step 1 stack and change the direction to vertical. I will select the circle now, call it circle 1 and let's make it 32 pixels in size. I will type in 1, select the circle, click on layout, change the color of the circle to this blue. Let's select the text and make it 16 pixels. Alright, this looks good. So now I will select the progress bar inside, go to effects, scroll transform, then select section in view, and now I will select the step number 1. You can choose between the center or the bottom viewport. I will choose the center for now. So then click from, make sure that the opacity is 1 and the scale is 1 as well. Go to offset and add a negative offset of minus 301 in my case. Let's make sure that it's outside the progress wrapper. Alright, now let's preview it. And voila, we have a nice progress bar. So next I'm gonna select the step 1, duplicate it 2 more times, select a container and change the direction to vertical, and I will select the second step 2, go to scroll section and call it step 2 as well. Then the third stack is gonna be step number 3, and here I will type in 3 as well. Now let's change this here to 2 and 3. Alright, let's check it out. And voila, that's how you create a progress bar, guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.